If you're watching this video, there's a very strong chance, very strong possibility that you're suffering from psoriasis, eczema, skin lesion, skin lumps, but you've been suffering for such a long time that you're despairing about getting the answers. Well, I would say that you've probably been to many doctors, many skin specialists, many dermatologists, possibly modalities in the Ayurvedic field, Ayurvedic medicine field, traditional Chinese medicine, acupuncture, even essential oils. Now, they're all fine, they help up to a point, but we have found from 40 years of experience that it doesn't always fix the entire problem of psoriasis or acne or eczema by clearing the skin fully, and it doesn't return, the disease doesn't return. And how do we do that? We have a series of superfoods we've been using for many years. All these superfoods combined together create a holistic approach which reduce the acid level in the body, reduce the inflammation in the body, and are tremendously helpful in healing the skin. Now, one of these superfoods is what we call the Cos Lettuce. All right, you'll notice it is an open lettuce. Again, I'll say that it's important to open the Cos Lettuce open like that. Do not buy the closed lettuce called the iceberg. The iceberg lettuce is actually a misnomer. Iceberg lettuce, it's actually not a lettuce, it's a hybrid. It's really been a GMO food, which has been around for a long time. Unfortunately, the iceberg lettuce, when it comes in your stomach here, within 22 minutes of eating that, it goes to slime and it disturbs your protein digestion and many other digestive systems. So use this one, the Cos Lettuce. You'll notice that this one I've picked it, but usually when you eat it, you pick the leaves like that. You pick the leaves one by one. You leave a few leaves inside and you take the next one. Now, why is it important you leave the root system attached? Because you grow it again. And every time you grow it, it is fresh. It is not, and when you peel, when you break the thing, you'll notice there'll be milk, like a milk. When it's fresh from our own garden, there'll be like a milk come out of these leaves, and that milk is the medicinal part. That milk is the antioxidant that creates incredible anti-inflammation aspect in your body. So I highly recommend mixing that with the oak leaf lettuce, with cucumber, tomatoes, and so on. And you'll have, if you do that every single day, that will go greatly in your favor to create the acid-alkaline balance that's required properly.